On a chilly winter morning, a wife texts her husband, "Window's frozen, won't open." He replies, "Try gently pouring lukewarm water over it, then tap around the edges with a hammer." 10 minutes later, she texts back, "Computer is really messed up now." Well, this funny exchange illustrates just how easily we can assume we're on the same page when communicating, only to realize we were working from entirely different information or viewpoints. Assumptions are part of running a business too, like predicting market responses or customer needs, but they can backfire when left unchecked or unexplored. According to a Holmes report, miscommunication costs businesses an estimated 37 billion annually in lost productivity, errors, or project failures. And this figure underscores the financial impact that assumptions and unclear communication can have on organizations, highlighting the importance of investing in clear, more intentional communication strategies. Well, in this case, a simple question like, "You mean the car windows?" could have transformed the outcome. As you may know, human wiring also influences how people process information and how much information they provide. For example, someone with a lower need for certainty or information may provide only partial information, leaving those with a higher need for certainty to interpret or even fill in the gaps. And this can lead to misunderstandings, rework, or customer issues. So the next time you think you understand someone, take a moment to ask a clarifying question or restate what you think they meant. It's a small step that can prevent big misunderstandings. If you're ready to take action in leveling up your company's leadership and communication skills, I invite you to join us for Wired to Win 101. How are you hardwired? More information on the link below. I'm Lisa Minnini. Until next week, create a great life.